Hello everyone. Hola, I'm Rashmi and welcome to the new year. Feliz Año Nuevo 2026. And this is going to be the first class and it's of Spanish. Okay, so as this is Spanish week going on, so this is going to be Spanish third class. Okay. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so today's topic is palabras de la clase. Palabras, palabras, palabras de la clase. Palabras de la clase means words for the class or the classroom words, or you can say vocabulary for classroom. Okay, what all things are used in class. So that's what is palabras de la clase. Okay, so in class, like paper, pen, whatever like that, these things are used. So that is I'm going to discuss you today. Okay, so today's topic is once again palabras de la clase. Palabras de la clase. Okay, so how do we say pen in Spanish? Pen is bolígrafo. 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 Bolígrafo is pen. This is not a pen. This is a marker. But the pen is bolígrafo. Okay? What do you say to book? Book is libro. 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 Once again. Libro. Libro. Libro is book. Okay? How do we say notebook in Spanish? Notebook is cuaderno. This is how we write. Cuaderno. 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 Cuaderno is notebook where you write, right? That the notebook. Okay, that is cuaderno. Cuaderno. Now, how do we say a sheet of paper? A sheet of paper is hoja de papel. Hoja de papel. Okay? Notebook is cuaderno. A sheet of paper is hoja de papel. Hoja de papel. Papel. Papel is paper actually. So, hoja de papel is sheet of paper. Papel is paper. Okay? Hoja de papel is sheet of paper. Okay? Now, as we are discussing about the class. So, in class we have paper bins, not dustbin. So, paper bin is called as papelera. This is how we write. Papelera. 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 Once again. Papelera. Papelera. Papelera is paper bin. Okay? Where you throw the waste papers and all. That paper bin is papelera, not dustbin. Okay? Papelera is paper bin. Okay, now move on to the next. Where you will write. That is table. Table is mesa. 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 Mesa is table. And what is chair? Chair is silla. The double L is ya, right? This is silla. 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 This is how we write. Silla. Silla is chair. Mesa is table. Silla is chair. Now, how do we say the blackboard, the board? Blackboard or chalkboard. That is pizarra. Pizarra. Double R, sorry. That is pizarra. Stress. Pizarra. Okay, pizarra. Pizarra is chalkboard or blackboard, you can say. Okay? Sorry. Chalkboard or blackboard. Okay, so moving on to the next. This is whiteboard, and whiteboard is called as pizarra blanco. This is how we write. Pizarra blanco. Blanco is white. Blanco. Blanco. Blanco is white. Okay? So let's repeat with me, okay? Repeat with me, okay? Pen is bolígrafo, libro, cuaderno, hoja de papel, papelera, mesa, silla, pizarra, pizarra blanco. Okay, so these are the palabras de la clase. Okay, so okay, that's all for today. Stay tuned for more words like this, and Feliz Año Nuevo 2026. Okay, bye bye, ciao, see you, hasta luego, bye bye.